Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on auto scroll on TikTok, so videos automatically move to the next post without you having to swipe manually. First, open your App Store or Google Play Store and make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Once you've updated the app, open TikTok and find any video on your For You page. Now simply press and hold anywhere on the video screen. A menu will appear with several options. Scroll down a little until you see the auto scroll option. Tap on it once, and TikTok will immediately start automatically scrolling through videos for you. If you ever want to turn auto scroll off, just press and hold on the video again and select auto scroll to disable it. You may also see a shortcut option in the top right corner while auto scroll is active. That's all it takes to enable auto scroll on TikTok. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy TikTok tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.